Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back to one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix your Windows 11 desktop was stuck without icon. The desktop icon is not showing and your taskbar icon is not showing empty taskbar. So if you are also facing this type of any problem on your PC, you can try this easy and simple methods to fix this issue. So one by one, let's get started. So when you are facing this type of problem, first you need to restart your Windows File Explorer. So you need to use the shortcut key to open the task manager. Hold Control key, Shift key button and then press escape from your keyboard like this. So it will open the task manager on your PC, and then here you need to search Windows Explorer. Just press W from your keyboard, find out the Windows Explorer. Right click on it, and then here you can get the option restart. Just click on it. Okay, now hopefully this will help you to fix your problem. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Once again, you need to open the task manager on your PC like this. Okay, now same thing, you need to search Windows Explorer. So first we have restarted. Now we want to end the task. Just click on end task. So it will show you black screen on your PC. Okay, now once again you need to open the task manager and go to file, click on run new task from here like this, and then here you need to type explorer.exe. okay, like this. Click on OK. Now you will get back your normal screen on your Windows 11. Okay, now it will show your desktop icon and as well as your taskbar icon. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem guys, now you need to force restart your PC. So just press and hold your power button from your laptop, or if you are using PC, just press and hold your power button. It will force shut down your PC and you need to restart it. Afterwards it will fix your problem. So this is the easy and very simple method. Okay, after your PC was turned on, you need to check for update for your Windows 11. Go to Windows settings, go to Windows update, check for updates. Okay, before updating you need to check your internet connection. That's it. Okay, so that's all today guys. These are the easy and simple methods to fix this issue. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.